So I just got back from visiting Larry. He's the guy out in the country that has the oil tank and the oil furnace. He's got about a 1,200 square foot bungalow, big property. He's got about 50 acres there. Furnace has been in for, I think he said, over 30 years because he had it put in himself. But times are changing. The cost of heating is up quite a bit. And in this area, there is some rebates for getting off oil. So that'll help him out a little bit too. So he asked me about two different ways of doing it with heat pumps, and he called them electric furnaces. We don't call them that anymore. It's an electric air handler with a heat strip. So we talked about what size of heat pump we would need for his house. We talked about how many kilowatt heat strip we would put in. All these kind of things that we just kicked around the ideas. Larry had already gotten another quote from another company, but he said after talking to me, he didn't feel very confident about how sure the other fellow was about the equipment and what he could do.